Hello friends, so in the last video we have seen the definition of one function and onto function. Okay, now based on that, okay, we are going to simplify the examples. So when I given the definitions in that I have given the theoretical definition as well as the mathematical definition. Okay, so that mathematical definition we will use to simplify these functions. Okay, now the question is, check the injectivity and surjectivity. Means what? Check whether it is 1 and onto, meaning it's same, of the following functions, right? So here the first function is f is a mapping from n to n given by f of x is equals to x square. Okay, we have to check it whether it is injective and surjective, or I can say whether it is 1 and onto or no. Okay, so first we'll check whether it is 1 or no. So for 1 function, what we do, we choose the two elements from the domain, that is let x1 x2 belongs to domain. So what is the domain here? N, that is the natural numbers, and codomain also it is same only. Okay, so when we choose the two numbers, then we take the next step is what? F of x1 is equals to f of x2. F of x1 is equals to f of x2. Okay, then but what is your f of x square? Then what is your f of x1 square, which is equals to, what is f of x2 square? Okay, now when I remove the square, what will get? X1 is equals to plus or minus x2. Plus or minus x2 means this implies what? X1 is equals to x2 or x1 is equals to minus x2. Both are possible here. Okay, but what we have here, this x1 and x2 belongs to the set of natural numbers. Okay, in the natural numbers we don't get any negative number, but here I am getting negative, right? So therefore which is not equal. If it is not equal, in the sense what? F is not 1 f is not 1 Okay, now next, that is we will check onto function, whether it is onto or no. Okay, and for onto again there are two definitions. Okay, in that we will use the second one, that is what? Range of f is equals to codomain, right? So here range of f is equals to, now how to take the range of f here? Okay, see, very simple. Whatever the function is given, okay, in that function just go on putting the numbers from the domain. Domain is what? Set of natural numbers. So natural number starts with 1, 2, 3 and so on. So just go on putting here. So if I put x is 1, so it becomes 1 square, the next 2 square, 3 square and so on. Okay, so which is equals to 1, 4, 9 and so on, which is equals to codomain. Okay, codomain is what? N. Now whether it equals to codomain or no, how to check it? So this is, we have the set. Okay, but in this set natural numbers are present, but it is not the set of natural number. When you can call as a set of natural number? When it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, there is a continuation, so you can call as a set of natural numbers, but these are the natural numbers, but it is not the set of natural numbers, therefore it is not equal, and hence it is what? F is not onto. F is not onto. So this given function is what? Not 1 and not onto. Okay, now we will have the second question. Suppose f is mapping from z to z and f of x is x square again. F of x is x square. Okay, same part you have to calculate again here. Okay, so let us start again. So let x1 x2 belongs to domain. Here domain is z. Z is what? It is a set of integers. Integers means what? It contains 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2 and so on. Okay, so then I will take f of x1 is equals to f of x2. We are checking 1 function. Okay, but what is f of x square? Therefore what is f of x1? It is x1 square. What is f of x2? Then x2 square. So when I remove the squares, what will get? X1 is equals to plus or minus x2. Okay, So this x1 is having plus value as well as minus value. Now this is continuous or no? Yes, obviously it is, now it is 1 1 or no? Obviously it is 1 1. Why? Because if x1 is equals to plus x2 or x1 is equals to minus x2, both the values are present in the integers. So therefore we can conclude here f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Okay. Next part, onto function. So for onto again we will check range. Okay. So range of f is equals to, again as I told you how to check the range, we have to put the elements from the domain. Okay. Domain is z. Okay. So z means what? Set of integers. So the number starts with 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2 and so on. So I will put 0, 0 square, next plus or minus 1 square, next plus or minus 2 square and so on. So which is equals to 0 square is 0, plus or minus 1 square will be what? Plus 1 only, because minus 1 square is again positive. Here plus 2 square is 4, minus 2 square also 4 and so on. So what we observed here, these are the integers, no doubt, but it is which type of integers? These are positive integers. Okay, these are positive integers. But what we have the set, our codomain is z, it is integers, so it contains negative as well as positive, but we are getting only positive, therefore which is not equal. So therefore what? F is not onto. F is not onto. So in this what we can conclude? Given function is 1 1 but not onto, but not onto. Okay, we will have another example. F is from, that is n to n, and f of x is equals to x cube. F of x is equals to x cube. Okay, so let us start now to check the 1 1 function. To check 1 1 function, we have to assume the two elements x1 and x2, which is belongs to what? Domain, which is belongs to domain. Then we'll use the definition of 1 1 function. F of x1 is equals to f of x2. Okay, that implies, okay, or you can say what is f of x now? X cube. Then what is f of x1? It is x1 cube, which is equals to what is f of x2? X2 cube. Okay, as here you remove the square, like that we can remove the cube. Okay, so x1 is equals to what? X2. See, in the, when you remove the squares, on the other side we will get plus or minus, but in the cube we don't get. So just we have what? X1 is equals to x2. Now both are positive, therefore what? F is 1 1, means they are equal. So therefore f is 1 1. Okay, now we'll check onto part. Okay, now for onto again you have to check the range. So that is range of f is equals to. So to calculate the range, what we have to do? We have to put the elements from the domain. Domain is a set of natural numbers. Okay, so natural number starts with 1. So just go on putting. So it is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and so on. So which is equals to 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27 and so on. Okay, again here 1, 8, 27, these are the natural numbers, no doubt, but it is not the set of natural numbers. So therefore it is not equals to n. So therefore what? It is f is not onto. F is not onto. So what we can conclude in this? F is 1 1 but not onto. Okay, two more examples are there of the same type. So you can carry out that. Okay, for the homework. So homework is what now? F is a mapping from z to z, and f of x is equals to x cube. F of x is equals to x cube. Another one is f is from r to r, and f of x is equals to x square. F of x is equals to x square. Okay, so just go through this example and simplify those two examples. Stop.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a